So in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can get this Seofy theme in just $3 with lifetime auto update and license key enabled. So it's one of the best theme. It's like if you are running a digital marketing agency or a SEO agency, then you can use this theme on your WordPress site. This will be best for you. So in this video I'm gonna purchase it and I will show you how you can also install it in your WordPress website. So watch the video till the end. So buy now. Now here you have to fill your basic details. Now we will go for the payment. Now you see this, after the payment will be done, you will get the files. The first one you see is the theme file and the second one is the child theme file. You have to download both. It's done. Now we will install it in our site. So for this you have to go to appearance, themes. Now you see this, add theme, upload theme, choose file. Here install now. Activate it. Successfully activated. Now what to install these three plugins. Now when the theme will be successfully installed and activated and you have installed all the required plugins, now from here you can do all the settings and customization of your theme. You see this. So you see this. So hopefully this video is helpful for you. If this is, then just give it a like and please subscribe my channel. So that's it. Thank you and bye bye.